If you owe child support, that is going to be an issue in your personal injury case, but not from the outset. It's going to be an issue at the end of your case, meaning you can still get all the care you need to get better. We can still make sure that all your doctor's bills get paid, all your hospital bills get paid, make sure your attorney's fees and expenses get paid for us representing you. But whenever it comes to the net amount you receive at the end of the day, child support is going to come into play. So for example, if at the end of your settlement you were going to receive $10,000 after all the bills and fees and expenses are paid, the Attorney General, if you owe money for child support, is going to take that settlement and perhaps maybe just allow you to net $500 or $1,000. We have to actually get their permission to allow you to net any amount out of the settlement if you owe more child support than what you're netting at the end of the day. Likewise, if you were to net $100,000 at the end of your case and you had a $50,000 child support lien, even if it was from 15 or 20 years ago, even if the child is now an adult, if there's an Attorney General lien, they're going to make us pay them the $50,000 out of your settlement. Now, if you dispute the child support lien itself, we cannot help you with that because that is through the Attorney General's office. All we do is we just look at it and say, is there a lien from the Attorney General? The insurance companies all subscribe to this thing called the Child Support Network. The state makes the insurance company verify when they are issuing payment to a claimant that no child support is owed. So many times we may not find out about child support until the end of a case when an insurance company tells us. This is why, as part of your intake paperwork, we're asking you, do you owe child support? So if you owe child support and you did not notify us that you owe child support, then unfortunately what is going to happen is at the end of the case we're going to find out about it and then we're going to contact the Attorney General. The advantage of contacting the Attorney General early on is that we are able to get the amount that the Attorney General is claiming. So for example, if the amount is wrong, or if perhaps we've had it happen before where John Smith, the names got mixed up because the name is very common, Jose Gonzalez, any sort of name like that, there's a chance the Attorney General has made an error. So if we know about it on the front end, we can fix all that, and then on the back end of the case, you can either work to maybe pay that lien down or perhaps correct any error that there may be in that.